love me that long. We'll surround you're on my mind.
Adeline. My name is Delmar Biroque. I am 18 years old of age and I came from Kawayan Poblacion, Negros Occidental. Tingin ko ako na ang next singing champion. Dahil baka siya na yung next Jovit Baldivino. Jovit mo iya, pwede pa. Kaya ko patayin niya. Tingnan natin kung kaya mo. Yun ang siya top stage.
Delmar, ang layo ng binyahe mo to get here. Good luck. Go.
Open up the mind, see like me. Open to the bed, to tell me you're free. I look into your heart, you'll find that this time is yours. Don't be so hard, don't get you need
Wala talaga kaming naintindihan kahit apart from the word love. Pinindot nila eh. Wala akong magawa. Wala akong lakas ngayon.
No.
Ako rin ang sorry sa no, ah. Ako sige, yes.